In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open your camera on Google Meet in just about 5 minutes. By now, we all know how integral video calls have become in our daily lives, whether it's for work, school, or just catching up with friends and family. Google Meet stands out as one of the most accessible and user-friendly platforms for these video interactions. However, if you're new to it, or occasionally manage to stumble upon a hiccup or two, worry not. I'm here to walk you through the simple process of getting your camera up and running on Google Meet swiftly. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Google Meet website. This is your gateway to starting or joining video meetings. But before we dive into any meeting, it's essential to ensure you're signed into your Google account. Without being signed in, you wouldn't be able to proceed further. Logging in is straightforward. Just enter your Google account credentials and you're good to go. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Meet homepage. Here you'll notice an inviting option to start a new meeting. Click on this to move forward. It's a straightforward step, but marks the beginning of setting up your video call. After clicking on New Meeting, a few options pop up, but you're going to want to select Start an Instant Meeting. This choice creates a meeting right away without scheduling it for later, perfect for when you need to jump into a call spontaneously. Now, as your meeting starts, you might find your camera is not activated by default. No need to worry, this is a typical scenario for first-time users or when Google Meet doesn't have permission to access your camera yet. To solve this, look for the video camera icon, usually found at the bottom of your meeting screen. This icon is your key to bringing your lovely face into the view of your meeting participants. Clicking on it will turn on your camera and you should immediately see your video feed starting to stream on the screen. And there you have it. Just a few clicks and you've successfully turned on your camera on Google Meet. It's worth noting that sometimes, due to privacy settings in your browser or device, you might be prompted to allow Google Meet to access your camera. If this happens, go ahead and give the necessary permissions. This step is crucial for ensuring that Google Meet can indeed utilize your camera for video calls. Remember, the process might slightly differ depending on the device or browser you're using, but the overall steps remain largely the same. The key is to make sure you've allowed all necessary permissions for Google Meet to access your camera, and always double check your internet connection. A stable internet is crucial for a smooth video calling experience. In wrapping up, I hope this guide has made it easy for you to understand how to open your camera on Google Meet. No more being the mysterious, unseen participant in meetings. With your camera now up and ready, you're all set to engage more effectively in your Google Meet video calls, whether it's a professional meeting, a virtual class, or simply catching up with loved ones. Being visible adds a personal touch that text or voice alone cannot convey. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to navigate your digital tools with ease. Happy video calling,